Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Pro and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. Then let's enter the settings. If you cannot find this option here, simply tap on this plus icon and tap on the settings. Now let's tap on the settings icon with a plus icon and enter languages. And as you can see here we've got one of the languages, and let's pretend I don't want to use it. I want to replace it with something else. So all we have to do is to either tap on pre-installed languages or all languages if you cannot find your language here, and now find the language you'd like to use. I would like to use English, so let's tap on it. As you can see, your device will kind of download it or basically process everything and apply the language to this section of your languages. Here we can try our setup. As you can see, we've got the QWERTY, AZERTY, basically the keyboard layout which you can choose. I will choose this one. So let me tap on it, and this is how our keyboard will look like after applying. If you've got more than one language added, just like in my case right now, you can change them quickly just by using the spacebar, so simply swipe on it. If you want to remove the previous language, simply tap on this switcher first of all. This is the first step, and then you can even remove it from this section just by pressing on it and tapping on delete. And basically this is it. So this is how to change the keyboard language in this device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.